Creating video lectures is new to many of us, but you can make your videos look much more professional by following a few easy steps. Firstly, show your face. Research has shown that video lectures that show the instructor's face are much more effective than simple narrated slideshows. So intersperse your slides with videos of yourself. In those videos, make sure that you set the camera eye level, following the rule of thirds. It might mean that you need to lift your laptop up onto some books. Then sit in the middle of the frame, not off to one side, and ensure that you look at the camera so your students feel like you're looking them in the eye. Keep the background of your videos clear from distractions. Busy bookshelves draw the eye. Instead, use something more neutral. Try and record in a quiet room, ideally one that's carpeted and away from things like fridges. You may want to invest in a microphone. Even a cheap one can improve the sound quality immensely. You could also consider using your phone or an external camera to record your lectures. They tend to be much better quality than those built into a laptop. Once you're all set up and your script's prepared and the camera's ready and your finger hovering over the record button, make sure you stop. Take a deep breath. Ensure that you're relaxed and in a happy mood before you start recording. And then, speak loudly, clearly, with confidence and with passion. Don't forget, you're allowed to smile. If you're giving instructions for a task, be really clear. Tell students the specific page numbers or the exact parts of another video they might need to watch. And also include written versions of those instructions when you upload a video. Make sure that you take breaks between each of the videos you shoot in order to relax. And remember, this isn't a Hollywood production. When we teach in a classroom, it's a personal exchange. And so one of the most important things to do in a video is to be yourself and to act naturally. It's okay to stumble over a word or two, to correct yourself when you make a mistake. This just allows the students to truly see your personality and connect with what makes you unique as a teacher. If your cat jumps up halfway through, leave it in the video. Just adds character. Remember, students generally don't like changes in teaching style, so be consistent with your lectures in terms of their length, availability, and links to tasks. And finally, never lose sight of the big picture, the reason that we're doing this, what we want the students to learn and achieve by the end of the semester.